a bunkhouse travel trailer that combines lightweight design with residential style features, tons of sleeping space, and one of the most functional layouts in its class. Whether you're traveling with kids, friends, or just want extra room for guests, this floor plan delivers a perfect mix of comfort and versatility. As soon as you step inside, the first thing you'll notice is how open and bright this Kodiak feels. Thanks to large windows, light cabinetry, and a smart layout, it doesn't feel cramped at all. It feels like a true home on wheels. This is a rear bunkhouse floor plan with a front private bedroom, a spacious central living area, and multiple sleeping zones that make it perfect for families or anyone who wants flexibility. The dinette area is perfect for family meals or game nights, and the kitchen is designed to give you the storage, prep space, and appliances you need to cook real meals, not just microwave snacks. Just past the kitchen is an entertainment cabinet with space for a large TV and fireplace. But the real feature here is the hidden pantry space behind it. This is literally a walk-in pantry that greatly expands on your storage capabilities and is perfect for those extended getaway adventures. At the rear, the bunkhouse gives kids or guests their own dedicated sleeping space and extra storage room for longer trips, which is a huge benefit for privacy and comfort. If you're looking for an RV that can sleep the whole crew, this Kodiak should absolutely be on your shortlist. Having that separate private sleeping space makes traveling with a family feel much more manageable and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to the front area. First, we enter the pass-through bathroom. There's a full-size shower, a solid vanity with storage, and plenty of room to move around. It's designed to handle busy mornings and quick cleanups without feeling tight or cramped. This layout allows access from both the main living area and the front bedroom, which is incredibly convenient. The bedroom has overhead cabinets, side wardrobes, and underbed storage. A solid door separates the bedroom from the rest of the trailer, so when the day winds down, you have a quiet, comfortable space to relax and recharge. The Kodiak is an outstanding travel trailer that offers a great floor plan. This is the 2022 Keystone Kodiak 296 BHSL. And remember, the team here is always ready to help, so reach out today.
RV Depot just made buying an RV way easier, and most people don't even know about it yet. We just launched our online approval tool, and it's actually kind of a game changer. Here's how it works. You fill out a quick application, and when you're approved, you'll get a congrats email with your own personal login code. Then you shop your budget. You pick your down payment, you pick your monthly payment, and we show you every RV that fits your numbers. No back and forth, no guessing, no sitting in a dealership for hours. The deal you build online is the deal you pay. That's it. Try it now. Link in bio.